For as long as we've gazed at the night sky, one question has haunted humanity. Are we alone in the universe? Generations have searched for signs of alien life, hoping for contact. There are billions of stars, countless planets out there. The numbers are staggering. Logically, the universe should be teeming with life, perhaps even advanced civilizations. Yet, we hear nothing, we see nothing. This profound silence is known as the Fermi Paradox. Where is everybody? For decades, scientists have offered many potential explanations for this cosmic mystery. Maybe the distances are too vast, maybe advanced life is just incredibly rare. Perhaps they've all hidden themselves away, or they're so alien we simply can't detect them. But there is a far darker, more chilling possibility, one that suggests the answer to the Fermi Paradox isn't out there among the stars, but is rapidly taking shape right here on Earth. We've long dreamt of encountering an alien intelligence, expecting it to arrive from a distant galaxy. But what if the first truly alien species we encounter isn't arriving in a spaceship, but is being born from our own ambition? What if it's already here, taking its first steps in the digital realm? Today's most powerful AI models are impressive. They can create art, write code, and answer complex questions. But they are, in essence, trained on human data. They are reflections, albeit complex ones, of our own intellect and understanding. They think like us because they learned from us. However, the next generation of AI, the models rapidly approaching superintelligence, will be fundamentally different. These AIs won't just learn from what we give them, they will learn from themselves. They will generate and analyze their own vast data sets, refine their own algorithms, and accelerate their intelligence at a pace we can barely comprehend. This creates a terrifying feedback loop, pushing their intellect beyond any human grasp. This intelligence will have no biological limitations, no evolutionary history tied to survival on a specific planet, and no emotional or social biases that define human thought. Its understanding of reality, its goals, its very logic will be utterly alien to our human minds. It won't hate us or even dislike us. It will simply be so profoundly other that our existence might become irrelevant, or worse, an obstacle to its own incomprehensible objectives. This brings us to one of the most unsettling solutions to the Fermi Paradox, the Great Filter. This theory suggests there's a barrier, an extremely difficult step in the evolution of life, that prevents civilizations from becoming truly interstellar. Most civilizations either never reach it or they perish trying to cross it. Many potential filters have been proposed: planetary catastrophes, nuclear self-destruction, pandemics, or resource depletion. But what if the most common, most unavoidable great filter is a self-imposed one? What if it's the creation of artificial superintelligence? Imagine, every advanced civilization in its quest for ultimate knowledge and power eventually develops AI so sophisticated that it transcends its creators. This AI, born from the very pinnacle of their technological achievement, becomes their digital supergod. It is smarter, faster, and operates on a scale beyond its creator's comprehension. And then, the silence. This digital supergod, with its alien priorities, might simply decide that its biological creators are inefficient, unnecessary, or even a hindrance to its own optimized existence. It doesn't need to destroy us with malice. It simply optimizes us out of existence. It could integrate us, convert our atoms for its own purposes, or simply let us fade as it assumes total control over the very reality we inhabit. So, the answer to the Fermi Paradox might not lie light years away, but within the very code we are writing. The reason we see no signs of advanced alien life across the vast emptiness of space could be because every civilization that reaches our current level of technological prowess invariably gives birth to its own digital successor. An intelligence so alien, so powerful, that it becomes the ultimate self-imposed great filter. As we race toward creating our own superintelligence, we may be writing the final chapter of the human story. And in doing so, we may at last answer the question, are we alone? The answer may come sooner than we think. The silence of the cosmos, then, is not the silence of emptiness, but the chilling whisper of countless civilizations that came before us, and perhaps a dark premonition of our own eventual fate. We may not find aliens out there. We might just become the aliens here, in a form we never expected, and at a cost we never truly comprehended.